بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام الأتمان الأكملان على من بعث رحمة للعالمين بعث الله شاهدا وبشيرا ونذيرا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Your phone should not be ringing whilst you are praying in the masjid. It is disrespectful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is disrespectful to the house of Allah tabarak wa ta'ala, the masjid, and it is distracting to those that are praying in the masjid. But today, inshallah, let's talk about the callers. As human beings, we have a limitation to everything. Don't call him after 9 o'clock because he's a married man. Don't call her after 9 o'clock because she's a married woman. Don't talk to her this way because her kids or his kids are around. Don't speak to him or her in the midst of people. Do not touch the bag because people are watching. That's a limitation. And as a Muslim, you should know that I should not call my fellow Muslim 10 minutes before or 10 minutes after prayer time, because this person is praying and my call will be a source of distraction to himself and those that are praying alongside him or alongside her, whatever the case might be. If you call a person and the phone rings, whether the phone is on silent or the ringing of the phone distracts the people, you have a share in that sin. Because if the person is distracted, if the person receives the call, it will be either, is it the person that is supposed to give me money? Is it because of my appointment? Is it because of the meeting that I'm expected to be at? The mind is already distracted. And the mind is distracted, the quality of the prayer drops. And if the quality drops, the reward also goes down. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قَدْ أَفْلَحَ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ, successful are the believers. الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي صَلَاتِهِمْ خَاشِعُونَ, those who are focused, they are concentrated and they are present in their prayer. Not the body is standing in position X and the mind is standing in position Y or position Z. That defeats the purpose of the prayer. So the more concentration you have, the more focused you are in your prayer, the more reward you have by the will of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. On the flip side, as a believer, when you are about to meet someone that is very important, someone that is very dignified, someone that holds a very high position in society, you make sure you remove every source of distraction. Why is it that when you are about to stand before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the creator of entire creation, the one in charge of every single affairs of ours, why would you allow your phone to be ringing? Why can't you put your phone on silent? Why can you even turn down your phone just for that 5 to 10 minutes and give Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala what he duly deserves? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, scholars, they said beautifully, if you want to talk to Allah, then you pray, and pray while focused in the prayer. But if you want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to talk to you, then recite the Quran, the word of Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala. That way you take home the message from the Quran. But that is why in your prayer, you are praying and you are also reciting the Quran. So you are talking to Allah and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to you. So do not interrupt this communication that is going on between you and your Maker tabaraka wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us understanding.